We are pleased to show you the 2022 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.